Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. So for the title, we're going to do a Valentine simple tutorial that I saw on TikTok. Yeah, I'm ready. Around to do a lot of story time. Just makeup. Actually, my hair is terrible. Anyways, first thing first, I've done my eyebrows outside the camera cause hair. I don't know, when I do my eyebrows on the camera they turn out funny, but when I decide to do them outside, like off camera, they turned better. But I have a detailed video how to do your eyebrows. I will try to link the video up here for you guys to watch. So first thing first, I've already my eyebrows. I already done my eyebrows. I'm going to apply concealer on my lids. I'm using this concealer. It's kinda yellowish. I'm going to this will be my base. Not my base really. Next step, I'll blend. Make sure your blender is kinda damp, but not that, because you see this one, it's consuming a lot of concealer. So yeah. Don't blend kabisa. You'll finish the concealer. Let's do that on the other side. Yo guys, Valentine is coming. What are your plans? Are you going to Galentine's or Valentine's? I still have a flu, man, but I'm getting better. Let me move my mirror close to me. I'm getting better. Looks better. Yeah, it's okay. So the next step, I'm going to apply a base color, which should be neutral. Don't apply a luminous color beneath. Don't apply a luminous color. So I'm going to use this circular brush. I love this brush a lot. My same old palette, the palette that I like the most, this one. So I'm going with I don't know which colors. I don't know if I want to apply a full cut crease or let's just do a half cut crease. Yeah, so I'm going with this dark color, this one. Okay, I'm starting on this side, going inside on a circular motion. I don't want to apply here on my lower cut crease, if it makes sense, because I'll be doing a half cut crease, and yeah, so I'm applying above, and then doing on a circular motion. I think I'll blend this with black. After that, you can use a darker color on top here. The color that blends. I'm going with this one. Okay, like a transition shade. Don't worry, we'll conceal this part. So hope this color is giving the way it's giving here. Or let me see. Let's put the light on. It looks much better. Wait a minute. How does it look? Hope the lighting doesn't change. After that, I'll go with black just to mix like the colors. Well, I'm sure the orange will be popping, and we don't want like to pop kabisa. It looks nice, yeah. And the other side, I don't want to apply so much black. This palette is so pigmented, that's why I like it. But the problem is it doesn't have those bright colors that I want. Only nude. Only nude. No. Because we're going to put a luminous pink, I'm trying to tame down this color. Like that. Can you see? The next step is cut crease. I'm using a white concealer. Cut crease. Actually, this is the hardest part. Hey, it looks like a paint. I don't know. Can you see like light in the reflection? Should I close the curtains? Your brush is so flat. Flat kabisa, you know. Cut crease is the hardest part, but slowly we're getting there. It's me and my mirror, I'm looking down. Let me put it here, okay? You place in the middle. And then you look up. Can you see? It's around here, the cut crease. So you follow the shape of your cut crease. I'm going to start on the inner corner. See? I'm trying to I don't know if the white is popping. Like that, okay? Yeah, just take your time. In cut crease, take your time. Oh, I don't like this concealer. I don't know why. I don't feeling it. But anyway. On the other side you do the same. Just follow the shape of the eyebrows. Let me look down. like that. After that, you take your beauty blender, you blend. Okay, while looking down, let me use the tip of the beauty blender. Anyways, I don't know if I'll use this one, this color, my nude, this color, pink. My problem is if I don't feel like the base of the whatever, I'm not feeling everything. But let's see. If this won't work, I'll use them. Nah, we're going to use this one. This nude one. This luminous one, I mean, that nude one. With this. Just next step is we're going to blend. I'm not feeling this makeup look. I'm really not feeling this makeup look, but it is what it is. Using the same brush that I had, I'm going to take this color and try to like drag to make like the two colors blend. Yeah, but when I'm done, when I do like my full makeup, it will make sense. It will make sense. For now, let's tame down these colors. I think I'll put white eyeliner above here. I'm not quite sure, but this is the how you can do your Valentine simple look. So let's get direct. Guys, this is the final look. I decided to do the other face bit outside the camera because here I felt like things were not going the way I wanted. The makeup earlier, but now it's kind of better. I don't know if it's the lighting. I don't know, I'm just not feeling the makeup. I wanted to put a white eyeliner there, but I felt like it would be too much. So this is it. I hope you'll try this makeup. Comment